plates. You can take your head out of the trash.
Let's do a checkup.
Doc, where are we? This doesn't look like a baby's room. Where's all the soft, fuzzy things?
This isn't a baby's nursery. It's a doctor's office. It's where I fix toys and make them feel better.
Doc, I'm scared. I want to go home.
Nothing's gonna hurt you, promise.
Doc only wants to see if anything's wrong.
And then you can go back to making Suki smile.
Just let me give you a checkup.
Okay. Time for your checkup. Time for your checkup.
I'm gonna check your ears, check your eyes, find out how much you've grown.
Time for your
I'm
checkup.
gonna listen to your heartbeat, fix you up, ready to go.
Time for your checkup.
It's okay if you giggle. This will only tickle a little.
Time for your checkup. Time for your checkup.
Well, you seem healthy.
Why does little Suki cry when she plays with Waddly?
I'm not sure. What would make a baby cry?
Maybe she was afraid she'd melt. I know I'm always afraid I'll melt. Maybe Suki was afraid Waddly would melt her.
Babies don't melt, and neither do stuffed snowmen.
Oh, right. Stuffed.
But maybe if you're warmer than usual from being in the baby bag, Suki might think you're too hot to play with.
What's that?
It's a thermometer. It'll tell me if you're warmer than usual. Now just relax for a minute while it takes your temperature.
Is it gonna hurt? No, not a bit. And while you're waiting, I can perform a Lammy ballet. La 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 la! Ta-da!
Woohoo! Go, Lammy! But go carefully.
You twirl great, Lammy. Dancy twirls help me be really, really brave.
You're not warm, so that's not what made Suki cry.
Maybe Suki just doesn't love me anymore. But I still love her.
I'm sure she still loves you. There must be something else.
What you thinking, Doc?
Well, this is a tough case, but I have an idea. It's a little unusual, but if we're gonna find out what's wrong with Waddly, I'll need a volunteer.
Oh, me. I'm brave. I'll do it.